Selma Teacher 7, Mr. Bear here. Today we're going to be looking at how to make perfect eyes within AI art. And we're going to be using Night Cafe, and I'll show you my prompts. In fact, I realized that some of my older work, the prompts were not open, so I've been busy going in and trying to open up all those for you. And we'll see how to make perfect eyes on a portrait today with this short video. All right, so let's take a look. So here we are at my profile at Night Cafe, and if we look down you can see some of my existing work here I've done. Now a lot of times I really don't know what to create, but every day there is a challenge. So you see these here, I was able to win the challenge because I was able to simply do a work there that they liked. So here's some good eyes. These look like good eyes. Go down here. Here's some really good eyes here for these were in a challenge as well. This is called the Embrace. I made this one too. Made all these here. So they have good eyes here. Yeah, some good eyes there. What we're going to do is we're going to go down and I'm going to look at this one right here. And here we can see this work here. This is a close-up of a woman here, the eyes, right? Some people were saying that the eyes are deformed or something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at my settings, and this is what I used here. Now this was for a challenge, there, and the challenge was basically a vintage photo found in a Hope chest. So this would be like a vintage photo that you'd find in a Hope chest, right? So this is the prompt that I actually used, and it was called Vintage Pinup Woman Model 1930s Mafia Photo, Good Eyes. So I did specify good eyes in the prompt. Perfect face, lovely, delicate, head and shoulders, 3/4 turn, which, yeah, I guess, I do have face blindness, but I guess that's a 3/4 turn there. It looks like the nose is over to the side a little bit there. Volumetric lighting. Looks good here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just copy this prompt right here, and I'll try to have this prompt down in the description for you as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create, and here we are in create. Now these were ones I just created, by the way, before making this video, and trying to make really good eyes. And you can see these eyes came out really good. Let me just look at this one here real quick. Look at the eyes. They look good to me. But anyway, the prompt I used was right here, which is the same prompt I'm about to use right now. So I'm going to paste that prompt in, and I'm going to go right here where it says Advanced Prompt Editor and look at it here. And I'm going to add another prompt here, and I'm going to use the default prompt. Actually, just use the default negative prompt. I can tweak it if I wanted to. There we go. Right now it says ugly, tiling, poorly drawn hands, and all that. That's a -0.3. And I've had actually people ask me, do you have to put -0.1 or anything like that? It could be any negative number, and the AI should understand that you don't want any of these things here. On the model, if you notice this model here, this is not a free model. This is a SDXL beta and also SDXL9. They are both, there's a cost of credits. Now, I do have a number of free credits that I've been gaining every day. So every day that you log in, you get free credits. But I'm going to try this on the Stable Diffusion, and I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to use the same seed. So this is a random seed, but I'm going to use the same seed because I'm going to create multiple works, and I'm going to be using different models here just to see what we can do as far as creation here. See if that makes a difference. So I'm going to click on create. It's free. Let's see what it makes. There we go. So we have, it looks like good eyes If I wanted to publish that, I just hit publish. And I'm going to go open prompt gang. So if you ever want to find my work, the tag that I use now is open prompt gang. And I'm just going to say save and publish it. There we go. Now maybe that's not, I don't know if you can see both eyes, so I'm going to create it again. Oh, it's going to make the same one. Yeah, I made the same one because I'm using the same seed number. So I'm going to change the seed number here. Sorry about that. And let's see what the next one is. Hey, there we go. This is more of a looking at the side of a person. And that's not really what we want either. We wanted more like one of these where we see more of the face. There we go. We have eyes there. I'm not sure, is that perfect eyes or what? I don't know. But I like it. So I'm going to say open prompt gang and publish. Alright, it's free to publish these. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that same seed there, but I'm going to change the model. Alright. And I am using the advanced mode, by the way. If you don't see this, just click on the advanced mode at the top, and I can change my settings around. So I'm using number of images is just 1 instead of 4, and the output resolution is just thumbnail instead of medium, and this is the size here. If you wanted to change that, you can upscale it later, and you can see the aspect ratio and runtime and all that is all these numbers here. Okay, let's go in here and let's choose 2.1 and see what it changes. Alright, so we have this one now. And I'm going to use another random seed here. And let's make this again here. This is too much like this other one here. There we go. And we have eyes there, and I'm okay with that. So I'm going to go publish, open prompt gang. I'm not taking anything out of this video, so you can actually see the entire creation process that I actually do on these and what I do. So if you notice, I've been making more than one, but I don't publish every single one of them because maybe it's not quite what I'm looking for, right? Some are, some are not. Let's change that model up again, and this time let's choose, let me see here, let's go to Stable Diffusion 2.0, see what happens when I click on create. Let's see how it makes it. Here we go. Now for some reason it gave me 2 people on this one using Stable Diffusion 2.0. If I look at my prompts here, it says woman, does it say women? It says woman here. Interesting. But it gave me 2 for some reason, but their eyes look normal, I believe. I mean, like I said, I have problems with recognizing people in photos, but it looks like human eyes to me. Let me go in and change that. Now we're going to go up to this newer one here. This is called SDXL Beta. Alright, no longer is it free for this one. It is a 0.75 creation, which is less than a credit. I believe you get like 7 credits every day that you vote and log in. Let's create this. There we go. That looks really nice. So I'm going to click on publish here. And I'm going to go open prompt. There you go, open prompt gang. Hit that key there, that looks good. Alright, let's publish this. See if people like it. Wow, I got 23 notifications. A lot of times people comment, click on thumbs up and all that. So that is good to see that many notifications already done here in the last few minutes. Let's try another model here. Let's try this time this one. This is called SDXL 0.9. Now this is the second SDXL release, And it's really a great for high resolution, high photorealism, and great detail. So let's click on that one, and you see this is not free. All right, so let's just look at this real quick. I'm using a random seed, and these are the numbers I'm using for that on the settings. Same prompt. Let's see what happens. You'll notice that the SD-XL does take a little bit longer than the other types of models that we have. And here it is. Wow, look at this. This is really good. Look at the color. Look at the patina on this photograph. This looks just like a photograph that you would find in a hope chest, right? Look at this. Look at the reflection on the lip there. I think the eyes are good there. So we have very good eyes here, and I do draw as well. I love doing artwork. And that leads us to our sponsor today, Bastion Pens.
Introducing Bastion Pens, where elegance meets precision. Crafted with meticulous care, our pens are the epitome of style and sophistication. Whether you're signing important documents or expressing your creativity on paper, Bastion Pens elevate your writing experience to new heights. Discover the perfect blend of artistry and functionality with Bastion Pens.
Okay, welcome back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this. This is absolutely great. So I'm going to go open, prompt, gang, and publish that one there. There we go. Hopefully you like this one. And I did show you how to do that. So let me go back and look at one more type of artwork here. Okay, we're back to my profile. Let's go down and let's look at one of these here that I did right here, this one. This one I got 22 likes on this one, so apparently this is a really popular one. Let's look at the settings here, and this is what we have. It's a close-up portrait of an amazing, beautiful strawberry with detail screen and expressive face. Japanese particular face there, beautiful painting with highly detailed, computer intricate, hyper maximalist, Karn, and all these others here. What I'm just going to do is, okay, I'm going to highlight this and copy it. And let's see if we can make another one of the images like this one, because maybe people want to make something like this. So we'll click on create, and in the text prompt, it's going to paste that in for us. Let's click on create and see what happens. I will try to have this in the description below the video too. But this will be an open prompt creation on Night Cafe that you'll be able to find. And there it is. Wow. So you have a face there. You have eyes. You have a mouth, nose. Looks like a human to me. Strawberries all over the place, because I did use the word strawberry, right? I did use strawberry. Yes, beautiful strawberry. There we go. That is absolutely stunning. I'm going to publish this. I'm going to actually click on like too, because I really like it myself. So I'm going to go open, prompt, gang. There we are. Open prompt gang. Yeah, it looks good. Let's save and publish this out. This is a good one. This is a winner here. Now, once I have something there that's really nice, you notice down here when you create stuff, you have the options to what's called add to collection. I'm going to click on add to collection, then we'll go down my list and then say click on winners and add it to my winners there. And that way other people can see your work if they click on your profile. All right, so hopefully you have a better idea of the prompts that I'm using to make good eyes on a face. Hey, so there you go. Now you know how to do great eyes within AI artwork. If you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below because I do make videos according to your comments. So if you have a question, I'll make sure I answer it within a future video. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, Summer Teacher 7. A big thank you to all those who have subscribed and who have shared my videos on their social media. All right. Well, thank you again. Y'all have a very good day and bye-bye.